Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on AutoCAD exercises. If you are just starting out with AutoCAD or want to improve your drafting skills, this video is for you. We will cover some simple yet powerful practices that will help you understand the basic commands of the AutoCAD. By the end of this video, you will be more confident in using AutoCAD tools and ready to create your own designs. So let's start with our first exercise. Today, we'll create this simple drawing in AutoCAD. In order to create this drawing, first need to check it out if all the possible dimensions are given in the reference drawing. There are 3 dimensions missing in the drawing. One is the dimension from here to here is not given. The angle of this line with the horizontal is missing. And the fillet radius is also missing. So let's check it out how we can create this drawing. First, take a line by giving a line command, L, enter. Click on a point, drag it down to give the dimension value 20. Move it horizontal towards right to give the value as 70 and move up to give the value as 15. So in order to continue with the drawing, either from this end or this end, both dimensions are missing. This dimension, the length dimension, and the angular dimension. So let us first create this circle, offsetting this vertical and horizontal line. So dimension from this vertical line is 32.5, and the center dimension line of the circle is 15 from the bottom horizontal line. Say offset by giving the offset command O, enter. I give 32.5 and offset this vertical line to 32.5 and say offset, enter to 15 to get the center of the circle. So here we can offset this bottom line to get this horizontal line by giving value 20 plus 20. So offset through 40. Now try to create a circle through the intersection of these two lines. Say radius 10. Okay. Now we can see that the center of the circle exactly lies to the center of this slot. That means we try to extend this line till this end. For extending this line till there, give command EX, enter, click and click. Now, to get this profile slot of 5 mm, try to offset this center line 2.5 either side. Enter 2.5, offset 2.5. Okay, and in order to make the depth of this slot, offset this horizontal line to 10 below. Offset, enter, give 10. And now remove all other construction elements in order to get this slot. So remove this line, remove the other lines, remove these 2 lines, and delete off these 2 lines, and remove these 2 lines. So now we can continue by giving the dimension 10 and dimension 20, and then you can join these profiles. So I take L command, enter, click here and give the value as 10, and again line command, move this side by giving the value 20, come down and give 20 and join this line. So for this reference, let us take this radius, whatever the radius is given here, that fillet radius, let us assume as radius 5. So I give fillet radius. In order to give the fillet, the shortcut command is F enter for the fillet and R for the radius. R and give value 5. So now we have got this required profile, and now let's go to this profile. So here, take a line command, join these two ends, and here you can check it out that there is a slot of 10 mm and with a length of depth of 15. So what we'll do is there is a shortcut that you can create any perpendicular line to the specified angle of any line. So let's say L enter. After giving L enter, immediately give PER, perpendicular. So when you say perpendicular, a line will be created perpendicular to the specified line. So just drag it out and place it somewhere, irrespective of the dimension. Now, you need to move this to this endpoint, then copy the same thing to the other endpoint and copy the same line to the midpoint. So here, just check it out that this slot has a depth of 15. So I try to offset 15. I'll take this line and offset to a distance of 15. Now I try to delete and trim out the unwanted lines. Trim, enter. I trim this out. I trim this out and I trim this out. Now you have got a profile, but the channel is not made. Only the center line is there. So we'll try to offset 10. Means 5 on the either side. 5 this side and 5 this side. Now we'll delete this center line and we'll trim out these 3 lines. So this is the profile of the drawing. So we have finally created the drawing and we'll try to give the dimensions for the required. So for giving dimensions, click out this dimension line and say 5, 10. From this point to this point, this is 20. And say from this point to this point is 20 again. Again from this point to this point is 20 again. And here, as this is an angle, you need to go for an angle aligned dimension. So this is 10. And from here to here it is 15. Again, I'll go for a linear dimension and give the value as 15. And again, I'll go for a linear dimension 70. And here in the same drawing itself, we can specify this dimensions too. So go to the linear dimension, to the center, and from this point to the center of this. As 15. As the precision is set for only 1 decimal point, it's showing as 33. So this is the drawing that we have completed successfully. So this is how we can create a drawing in AutoCAD. Thank you.